Hey, Shug. Welcome back to the Healing Circle. So we're here to do the Daily Collective for Saturday, November 25th. Okay. If the reading does not resonate, please do not try to make it. All right. So this is the Daily Collective for Saturday, November 25th. All right. One more. All right. Holy Spirit, angels in heaven, what do we have for the collective for Saturday, November 25th? Dang, that's a lot. I don't want that many. Okay, let's see. It was a lot. It was about 5 cards. All right, Holy Spirit, what do we have for the collective for Saturday, November 25th? Okay. Gates of triumph. Success expands in your life. Okay. With desert passage, trust there's a divine plan. Okay. Trust it. All right. Let's see. Yeah, the book. Let's look at the overall message. Desert passage. Okay. So it says, even if it seems that life has areas of barrenness, beneath the surface, life is transforming in accordance with your highest good. Trust that you are guided, even if it doesn't always seem like it. There are spiritual guides, allies, and angels surrounding you. Listen to your heart. Act on your instincts. Believe that the messages you are being given are in your highest good. Get down to basics. Trust what you feel. Okay? Believe it. Understand that everything happens for a reason. There are no coincidences. Okay? Let's see why this is here for you. Spirit has a divine plan. Allow it to unfold. Why is desert passage here for the collective? Trust what you are feeling. Whatever you're being guided to do. It's for your highest good. The chase has been coming out a whole week. Preparation, relentless pursuit, victory. Okay? With shallow on the bottom. Superficiality, boredom, blank. Okay? So someone has been maybe in a very superficial state. Okay? Bored, feeling blah. Okay? And in pursuit of something more. Victory. Okay? So Spirit is like, follow your intuition. Okay? Understand that everything is for a reason. Okay? This is a divine plan. There is a divine plan for this change that someone is experiencing. Why is desert passage here for the collective? The magician. Okay. Yeah. You manifested something. Okay. Yeah. You know it's your 10 of cups. You manifested something. You know it's your 10 of cups. Okay. Why is desert passage here? Okay. That's why Spirit is saying, trust that there's a divine plan. Because I saw the moon card and went back in. There might be some fear, yes. Okay, but understand that everything happens for a reason. All right. With the Queen of Pentacles energy, the Three of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Okay, you could have manifested a stable partner with the Queen of Pentacles energy. Someone that is nurturing, responsible. Okay. There could be a third party with the Three of Cups that has been nothing but a burden with the Ten of Wands. Okay. So the Three of Pentacles is the energy of rebuilding. Spirit could be giving you an opportunity to rebuild by being in commitment with someone that you love. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The Judgment energy is a second chance. Okay. The Spirit giving someone a second chance. All right. This is why Spirit is saying it's a divine plan. Trust that there is a divine plan. Okay. Gates of triumph. Success expands in your life. Let's read that message. Okay. It says the gates of triumph are waiting to open deep and wide for you. Inner and outer success is coming your way. Thriving is a state of mind. Accept that you can reach any goal you desire, and even more victories will expand in your life. The more you feel it, the more love, prosperity, fame, and fortune will pour into your life. Okay? The more you feel it. Okay? Let's clarify that message. Things are really expanding for you. Why is Gates of Triumph here for the collective? Someone is definitely in pursuit of something more. Gates of Triumph. The hoping card tried to come out. Okay. It says tension, turbulence, arguments, stress. Okay. So someone could be feeling tension or stress because of distance. Okay. But they pretend. Okay. Yeah. It says barrier, separation, and space with pretend, mask, exaggeration, bluff, realizing that they're alone. Okay. So someone could be feeling some type of tension from a separation. Okay. And maybe acting as if that they're not bothered by it. Okay. But in this acting, someone could be realizing that, okay, you're alone. Why are you sitting there acting like you're okay? Okay, right? So why is Gates of Triumph here for the collective? Yeah. Okay. Knight of Swords. Temperance. The Strength card. The Five of Swords. The Four of Wands. The Eight of Pentacles. Empress. And the King of Cups. High Priestess. So someone's making a concrete decision to bring something into balance. Maybe because of the stress that and the tension that someone is feeling being in separation from another. Okay. They could have acted as if they weren't bothered by this, but they really are. They're feeling very lonely. Okay. Feeling separate. Okay. And so with the Knight of Swords energy and Temperance, someone is rushing in to bring things into balance. Okay. They've been resisting because maybe of jealousy, because of arguments, okay, that could have occurred in a home or in a relationship. But with the Eight of Pentacles, this is working on the connection, okay, working on abundance, okay, working on the prosperity, okay, ready to put in effort to work towards prosperity, okay. King of Cups energy can be someone expressing how they feel, emotions that they may have kept secret, okay, yeah, and apologizing for the secrets, okay. Someone could have been given to another union, all right. Any more for Gates of Triumph? Yeah. Chariot energy and the Two of Pentacles with the World, okay. This is movement forward and closing out a cycle of indecisiveness, okay, going back and forth, okay. This is movement forward. You have to know which way you're going in order to move forward with the Chariot, okay. And this is someone that is choosing to make things clear, to put things into balance, okay, closing out a cycle and working things out, getting on the same page, okay. Yeah, for sure. So that's what I have for you, Shid. I hope this helped, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Miss you guys already. Bye.